Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video, button crafts ideas. I will share you. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, today we are going to make some amazing and beautiful craft. Use small buttons. Buttons are small, colorful, super cute, and you use them as creative and viewers. So many fun things. So let's take out your box of all the button and let's get creative together. First, let's make a button flower art. Take a white sheet or a canvas board. Draw some flower stems. Use a green marker. Now glue different buttons. And viewers, now there you go, a lovely button garden. You can hang it on your wall or gift it to someone special. Next we will try button tree art. Draw simple tree trunk with branches, then use brown or green button for leaves. You can mix small and big buttons to make it look more natural. This idea looks amazing in frame and add colors to any room. Now let's make something useful, a button photo frame. Take an old frame and decorate its border with colorful buttons. You can make a rainbow patterns or mix colors. Both look great. Once you try, add your favorite picture inside. Now your frame look cute and handmade with love. And everywhere do you like jewelry? Let's make a button bracelet or necklaces. Use a thread or elasticities, cord and pass each throughout the button holes. Mix different color and shape for a fun look. It's easy, quick and perfect for as a friendship bracelet.